obviously Bitcoin has been quite bullish, guys, as we said, and whenever we drop, we'll always be looking to trade. It's a new weekday, it's a Monday, and also always, guys, on Monday, especially the NY session is always important, even though Bitcoin has been, as I said, dropping locally. Obviously, this does not change the macro time frame and also the view of being bullish until proven otherwise. So obviously, with the idea of being lots or seeing lots and lots of shorts open at the top, we also got obviously the local very high liquidity top. I mean, with a 80% chance, again, this is not me predicting it, but an 80% chance with an uptrend, with these highs looking like this, with the order flow showing me lots and lots of random shorts entering at the top. What usually happens, again, it's a usual thing, it's not a guaranteed thing. Like, the market always likes to kind of, you know, punish every or the majority of traders, hence why I still hold my bullish buys expecting higher, and that is precisely why I'm holding every single long that I've got open till now. I mean, obviously, if Bitcoin drops, I'm entering and I'm planning to enter a new trade. So let me quickly talk about Bitcoin and the closest long, because obviously this could be a potential long where I'm going to be taking it in a matter of minutes or maybe even hours. So obviously on the lower time frame, I've got two ideas. First of all, let me cover, before I talk about the long setup, I would love to cover the most critical slash crucial local resistance area, which could offer us a little scalpy short. Again, whenever I mention a short, it does not mean I'm bearish. Whenever I say a long, it does not necessarily mean I'm bullish. It just happened that I'm bullish now, so longs are better, but I can still technically have ideas for shorts. So right now, obviously yesterday we mentioned how important the zone of 78.2 to 77.7 was as support, and now that we've lost it, it has obviously turned into resistance. We have clearly the biggest volume node for the past, I'd say, month is at 78. So right now, obviously, if Bitcoin happens to kind of back test it, give us a fake out from these highs, so the Sunday highs, and also if we do hit this local little kind of downtrend anchored view up, we may have a little kind of local setup where we catch a scalpy short off of 78k. But then potentially, if Bitcoin does, everything happens like this, we could be then taking it lower for us to enter a long. So again, if Bitcoin clears 78, that would be locally good, bullish, and probably could take us immediately to 82. If it doesn't do so, I'll happily kind of scalp shorted, because we may then drop to 76k. Why? Because obviously today, guys, we saw Bitcoin kind of drop to 76k. We actually made the low at the Monday, after the Monday open, but we could have our classic setup where we always teach you guys, whenever we put the Monday open, we look for the low of the day, current day low, and we then have the plan and the idea, along with us wanting to kind of long 75, 76k. Now we have the added confluence of this little scalpy idea we teach, which is us taking out the lows, getting a nice fake out at the bottom, trapping shorts at the bottom, and then entering a long. So we want to kick out the longs which had long previously, and also trap some nice shorts for potentially then catching an amazing trade. So obviously, if we happen to drop, if we happen to create a new daily low on the NY session open, I'll obviously be looking to trade Bitcoin. And talking about trading, guys, if you have noticed, maybe the new banner I've just created doesn't look the nicest. However, as promised, we currently have our new finally trading competition, which is going to be running, let me quickly look, for 13 days, so till the end of the month, kind of making it up for you guys, because it took us a long while for us to prep the competition with weeks. So right now we got the competition up and running. You can clearly see every single detail. It's a bit different now, but trust me, it is much better, because look at this. We got multiple tiers. You can get, depending on how much you can trade with, you can absolutely get the lowest tiers. But then, like, the nicest thing is actually tier 2. So almost the second easiest thing, which is absolutely easy to get. 1,000 trading volume is, I think everybody can do this, would get you a VIP 2 level. Everybody has been asking me for some discounts on the VIP. So now, there you go. There you have it, guys. And also, obviously, other than that, you got multiple future bonuses. But then we got the big, the big rewards, the big boys here. We got the Apple Watch, 17 Pro Max for iPhone, whoever can trade up to that, Macbook, and also Rolex. Again, I'm just kind of mentioning everything, but you can absolutely get whatever you can. And again, guys, if you rank higher, you'll be eligible for everything. For example, let's say for the sake of the argument, you get to the Apple Watch, you wouldn't be getting this only, but obviously everything prior to it. So you'll be unlocking tiers as you go and as you trade. Again, for those that would love to participate, it's obvious and very easy. Again, if you do not have an account on Weeks, you then have to press on the first button, and then once you do that, you will have this page. You press on join now. If you have an account that's signed under me, made under me, just press on this button once. If you don't, you would have to absolutely press on it, sign up, make an account that is signed under me, but then go back to the same link to press the yellow button once. And as I said, guys, or I didn't say that, but I forgot to mention that absolutely, just to add some nice gifts to you guys, I'll absolutely be giving real USDT cash on top of everything you may get from the competition by my own self for top first or top place. So anybody who gets top place will be getting some extra additional cash from me. However, we also got every single amazing reward by joining the first link. So right now I'm looking to trade Bitcoin. I've got a new idea as to log, and I'm going to be waiting patiently in case we drop. I'll 100% be long in Bitcoin with you guys.